back with another new video. This video is very different because I'm going to review one application, and this is amazing and most useful application, and it's really different. So let's get it started. First of all, let me show you, and this is totally related to our notch. Actually, this is water drop notch or water drop display, whatever you can say, a dot notch. And if you have the middle cutout or side cutout, that means cutout display also working, no problem with that. If you have notch or you don't have notch, no problem, it will work definitely on your device. So let me show you the trick, and which is, if you click on the notch, your camera will be open. Okay, let me show you that. So I click on the notch and it's boom, now it's opening the camera. Okay, I already set it. And another thing, I will double tap on notch and it will take a screenshot. Let me show you that again. Sorry. Here is the screenshot you guys can see. So this is how you guys can take a screenshot as well. And another important thing is, if you swipe right to left on notch, you will get another function. Okay, what I said I don't remember, let me show you. Right to left, yes, this is QR code scanner. Okay, and another thing is left to right, or screen off. So these are the things actually you guys can add in your device in customization. As a customization, this is very useful application in short, and you can set something more. Okay, and now let me introduce the application, which is called Touch the Notch. Okay, go to Play Store and type Touch the Notch, then open the application and provide all the permission, required permission. Okay, let me show you. Just click on the required permission and then you are good to go. Then you have the options. If you click on single touch, if you open the recent menu. Okay, another thing is left, I need to show. Long touch, I set it. Okay, single touch, I set it to camera, it will open the camera. And if you long touch, then I set here the recent menus. Okay, let me show you. This is like this, just press and hold and it's opening the recent menu. Okay, here is the recent menu. You guys can set, we have different options for that, and we have the double click option, double click, take a screenshot, and QR code reader. We have so many options. Which one you like, you guys can set. In different section, different options you guys can set, no problem with that. And remember one thing, if you have some problem with this one, this is, you have to buy this. This is a premium thing. Okay, so you need to buy, and now I'm using the trial version here. And if you need the modded version, of course you can knock me at Telegram. Okay, and swipe left, swipe right, you guys can set as well. So actually this is the application. In by using this application, you guys can get some customization on your device, and which is really different, and you can show your friends some magic like this. Okay, if he or she doesn't know that. So thank you for watching.